people, and welcome back to another episode of the Chef's Giant Cooking Series. And today I have a very interesting recipe. I'm going to be showing how to cook these sticky Coca-Cola chicken wings. They are very delicious. But before we get there, if it's your first time joining us and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please just take this time and tap the subscribe button and the bell icon right beside it, so every time I have an amazing recipe, you are instantly notified on the same. Now let's get cooking. So my ingredients today of making the Coca-Cola chicken, I'll need some wings here. I'm using 200 grams of chicken wings. I have some 1 tablespoon of garlic, crushed garlic. I have my ketchup, tomato ketchup, 5 tablespoons. Then I have some red onion here, finely sliced. I have my soy sauce. Here's my soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have my black pepper, a pinch, and also some salt to taste. I have my Coca-Cola right here, Coca-Cola, and my pan has some cooking oil. So I'm going to start chopping my chicken wings into different sizes. So what I'm going to do is just cut here so that you get the joint. So one wing produces 2 pieces, just like this. So we're going to set this aside and continue cutting the others. Now that I've finished cutting my chicken wings into 2 pieces, I'm going to put them in my bowl, just like that. So all of them, I add them into my bowl. And into this bowl, I'm going to add in my pinch of black pepper and salt. So basically, I'm going to marinate my chicken with the black pepper and salt, and I'm going to add in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I'm going to mix this all together so that they mix perfectly. So I'm going to stir this so that they can mix perfectly with my black pepper and my soy sauce. And I'm going to let this marinate for about 10 minutes. Then we come back and continue. So my chicken has marinated for about 10 minutes, and now it is time for us to pan fry our chicken. So my 3 tablespoons are heating in the pan. So I'm just going to take this and place them in the pan for them to pan fry. So we're going to let this pan fry until they are golden brown. Then we turn it to the other side so that they can also fry to brown. So turn your chicken to the other side so that it can also brown perfectly, just like this. So our chicken is perfectly browned, and now we're going to set this aside, and then we're going to make the sauce now, okay? So we're going to set this aside, and then I'm going to bring in another sufuria. So I'm just taking it to the other side, and I place another sufuria right here. And I'm just going to use the same cooking oil I've used to fry my chicken, so that I can fry my onions perfectly, because I don't like my onions uncooked. My 3 tablespoons of oil have heated up perfectly, so I'm going to add in my onion, my red onion. So I'm just going to cook until it is starting to brown. Then I'll add my garlic. So my red onion has started to brown, and now I'm going to go in with my garlic. Just like that. I'm going to give this a quick stir so that it can also cook well and release its flavors. So my onion is perfectly done, and now at this point I'm going to add in my chicken, the one I had pan fried. So there we go. I've left behind the extra oil. I'm going to add in my tomato ketchup. Perfect. And I'm now going to add in my Coca-Cola, 300 ml. So I'm going to bring this to a stir. And now I'm going to let my chicken cook again in this Coca-Cola. So I'm going to cover my sufuria and let it continue cooking. Just cover it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So you can see the liquid has started to evaporate and it is looking already yummy. So I'm going to cover this, but I'll keep on checking from time to time so that the liquid is evaporating well and so that it does not burn. So we're going to cover this and let it continue simmering. So the almost is almost gone and it is remaining just a little bit of it. So now you have to keep a close eye on your chicken, because if you just stay away a little bit, it is going to burn. So we're going to be checking this for the next 2 minutes and it is ready to serve. So my chicken is perfectly done and it is ready to serve. So I'm going to serve this alongside my vegetables. Wow, I'm telling you, it is looking very, very yummy. You can serve this alongside your favorite fries. And that is how I made my Coca-Cola chicken. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to share us, you can also share it with your neighbors and friends. Make sure they see this video. So until next time, see you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's